Hey everyone, Edward here at Windows Report, and today I'm gonna show you top 5 tips to extend your Windows 11 PC life. So without further ado, let's just dive right in. So the first tip that I highly recommend is to activate your storage sense. You may ask yourself why. Well, storage sense plays a critical role in maintaining your PC's hard drives or SSD drives because it automatically removes temporary files, it clears your recycle bin, and manages the download files based on your preferences. This not only frees up your disk space but also minimizes the wear and tear on your SSD and hard drives. So in order to do this, make sure to go to Settings, then System, afterwards Storage, and Storage Sense. Now turn it on and configure it to run automatically at the frequency you prefer. Moving on, another useful tip is to adjust the power settings for efficiency. Since wear and tear on your laptop's battery is a reality, having an efficient power plan can help you reduce it and prolong the life of your battery. For example, if you use high performance mode at all times, even though if you don't need it, you'll have temperatures rising up in your PC, and this can lead to wear and tear on your components, especially your battery. So by selecting a balanced power plan or even power saving mode, you can extend the life of your computer in no time. So in order to do this, make sure to navigate to Settings, then System, afterwards Power and Battery, and then Power Mode. In here, choose a balanced or power saver plan that suits your usage. Next in line, another useful tip is to schedule regular maintenance. Now, if you didn't know this, Windows 11 features automatic maintenance, which can help you with diagnostics, fixing your PC even if you don't know it. It can also update your security, optimize file indexing, and more. And this is important because regular maintenance can help you detect an issue and fix it before it can put a strain on your hardware or even HDDs or SSD drives. So in order to do this, make sure to do the following. Head over to Control Panel, then System and Security, afterwards Security and Maintenance, and then select Automatic Maintenance. Here you can choose the time for maintenance to run and ensure it does not interfere with your use of the PC. You see, it's all super simple, very small tips, but they make a huge impact on extending the life of your computer. Moving on to the next great tip, always update your Windows 11 PC. This is super important even though you don't want it. I know many users that are kind of reluctant to updating their PCs because they're afraid of new bugs or unprecedented issues, but make sure to update your computer because it comes with many fixes, it improves the workflow on your system, and it makes it more efficient. This can reduce the wear and tear on your hardware, so make sure to check it out by doing the following. Press the Start button, head over to Settings, then click on Windows Update on the left pane, you can see it's down below, and afterwards click on the Check for Updates button on the right side. Now wait until Windows will scan for the latest updates and it will install them automatically. And it's super simple. From here on, restart your computer and enjoy the latest updates. And lastly, another useful tip is to manage the startup programs. As you may well know, when you have too many programs running at startup, it can take a huge amount of time until your computer simply feels normal because it has to load everything else and even programs that you don't really need in the first place. This can actually increase the wear and tear on your PC because all of a sudden you turn on your PC and you have 13 programs that you don't even use, just sucking up all the resources at startup. So make sure to turn them off because it will also give you a faster start and you have the chance to actually start working already. Now, in order to do this, right-click the Windows button, then head over to Task Manager in the context menu, and then click on the Startup Apps option on the left pane in the new window. Now in here, just scroll down and find all the unnecessary apps or apps that you do not use at all, and make sure to disable them at startup. Afterwards, after you finish disabling all the unnecessary apps, make sure to restart your computer and you can see a huge difference because if you're not aware of the programs that you don't use, they usually pop up at startup and they eat a lot of resources. So make sure to do this and you'll see a huge difference in performance. And that's it. Super simple, isn't it? Of course, if you enjoyed this video and it helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more quality content. Thanks for watching.